The plants are loving it. The temperatures dropped to about 60 degrees now as this storm front is now, this latest storm front is now passing us. I'm in northwest Houston, near Katy, Cypress, and Jersey Village, as it heads south towards the city of Houston. Down the street from me, about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on traffic. And they're getting, it's flooding in the city of Houston. It's not good right now. And that's due to all that bad infrastructure, all that concrete that's been laid down. So, and them not putting in more water drainage sewer systems as the city of Houston has rapidly grown by population. They keep putting more concrete down, cutting more trees down, and the water has nowhere to go. So it floods. Bad engineering for the city of Houston. Bad urban development is what I call it. And now they pay the price for it every time we have major storms. You think after Hurricane Harvey, they would have learned. And they haven't done anything. They got billions and billions of dollars from the government for new infrastructure projects to mitigate all that flooding in the city of Houston. And they didn't do anything with it. Matter of fact, there are several investigations going on from prior administrations in the mayor's office for corruption, from what I understand. Never fails. But I'm enjoying this view as this rain slowly pushes by us and heads into the city of Houston, south of me. And I'll just wait for the next one because this is supposed to go on all day, from what I'm saying, rolling thunderstorms. So this is not the last one. As it slowly, well, I'm not going to say slowly. These storms are moving through pretty fast. So, well, look at the blooms on that desert rose. Look at those beautiful blooms. Ain't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. So the result of all of this damage and flooding in the city is not because of nature. It's because of poor engineering and poor design in the inside of these concrete cities as they get bigger and bigger. And the people pay for it. Homes are flooding in the city. The whole 9 yards. If you watch the news, you can see it, what's going on in Houston right now. It's all because of bad planning, bad urban development, and just putting concrete over everything and cutting down all the trees and everything else and not building proper water drainage for the water to go, upgrading